Yes. This one another spluffic Monday night. So they come Sunday. You know, say another better week with this. And I tell you, say you're wicked. I know say they very, very cajat and very spluffic. But I tell you, say this one, another week, I beg all the men with it, they make una shine eye well, hustle well this week. Make sure say go na abata. So that we're gonna get mengre. That is the talk. I will kill people today.
Ugo, during the
I will finish
during this last week's screening of presidential ministerial this thing. One get one senator will get up, come talk say they ask the man we want to be minister for health whether I ain't go take do with all these herbalists, you understand, where they try to use drugs. So I see it sound that you understand them. I won't advocate people like Ugo, you understand. You be very good.
But seriously, they need to address those people.
Yeah.
Because Oyibo get herbalists now. You know, so most of these things where they come from, they are native doctor and they are all this and they develop. Not joke. No, see, seriously now, before we start. I don't know who they in charge, but we need to visit our herbalists. They need to step up. You cannot be in that dirty shrine.
Yeah,
and then you want to do for person where you make millions.
You never sick. Let me tell you. Chakala, in Nigeria, we believe say when something bitter, you understand? Now they walk well. So that dirty way you see so.
If to say that why bitter now they walk, why bitter cola never turn snacks? Bitter cola and snacks.
Come on, waiting people believe. Bitter cola now. He was
but my brother, Juju they forbid AC. Put AC inside that shrine. If person come, open laptop, browse the future.
You're not gonna believe him. And in Lagos, but I know why you advocate. Sakara they advocate more because, for instance, now you know these days we have fair ladies.
My grandpa was a native doctor.
We have fair ladies that are looking like Mami Water these days, so we don't know. I want video inside here.
Okay.
So please help us.
Yes. I know say this now the show we call BOBOS here, and we don't send you now that one a brief introduction onto the relationship organizer, aka the peace ambassador, and the lover boy, aka the hype man. And when I don't say them, yes, there are MC Shakara and Showman. Yes. And my name now Ugo Matthews. Make it for no loss before you go forget. You know your boyfriend, your husband, your house boy, your messenger, all
and
the
one. Sex
and the crankiness part.
Why do you hate the word sex?
I like cranky.
Shakara, that we know if you ask you what is sex, you will say is it that male or what? Or female?
No.
You understand? It's sex.
I like cranky.
If now waiting, I know they used to. I'm not used to.
Yeah, it's a lot.
This is just don't change my personality.
Inside bar with us today, we get one spluffic Otepu. Showman been talk something the other time. Say when you see woman we yellow, we be like mama water.
You start thinking.
This one. When I know say last week Friday, we been get one. We come. I tell you, I say God created that one on a Monday morning. But this one at midnight on Monday, God created this one when God wake up around 2 a.m.
Ugo, you have a point. Before Ugo shows this person, Ugo, you have a point.
Of course,
studies, you know, like you always say, last year you were the one that used to be well read.
Yes.
Now I'm the one that is well read.
Very good.
I'm well traveled. Thank you very much. I have traveled far and wide and found out that the best children that are fair and the cranking happen in the midnight.
But now where darkness is. If you want to go for it, crank when sun they shine.
Meanwhile, there was a story I heard last week of two white persons, or not white persons, when slavery. It was a movie I watched, sorry. Where the upcoming. Now the slave master, white man, Pekin, go crank one of the slaves. So when they contact and say don't born, in joy he run as he go see the Pekin. Now black. So he just go say, one of these prisoners here, one of you have done it. Now he call them, which of you gave my daughter Bele? All of them, they say, I am the one. Who no one? Freedom. Everybody they claim say I'm the one. Meanwhile, the guy really had the bad shooter was just there smiling. So we're back to the matter of the
meanwhile, I just want to add to your introduction. You know, say that queen what we get the other day.
Jesse.
You know, say somebody they always put up this beauty contest
Of course.
By right, you're supposed to say now emergency now we get for us.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen.
Now she be the
She be the pioneer. She's the
engine room.
You know what? Ugo, make sure you
the frontier.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, come on, why am I tomato sauce? Chai, gele chai no, anya baje krekre. Please welcome with me into the bar.
Explain for English. Melissa.
Chai.
You know.
Don't blush too much. Leave her.
No,
so man, remove your voice.
Sorry. You know where I heard this here. You know, last night me and having we were.
Last night. Last night,
Showman. We're chatting.
You guys were doing what?
We did not finish talking. We don't have any talk. We were chatting. You understand? And you know, she's a very nice person.
It's okay. Let her talk for herself.
Let her talk for herself.
Really? Because
can we meet you?
My name is Melissa.
Your name now.
In Asoibo.
We must train you how to speak with you. Your name now.
My name is Melissa.
Correct.
Nandi. Gucci. I'm the CEO of Face of Petite Nigeria. 2015. It's actually our first edition.
Okay, now this one might be on our face.
How come I know MC? I MC Miss Tourism. Why? How come I
don't
don't
you never be friends?
No, it's wrong. I have a friend that will not, and I know MC the event. It's wrong. And me and you can do it now. I will go. It's there. But go ahead. Sorry.
No verse.
Okay.
You know, say me and you will never be friends that time.
So, please explain.
Basically, you know, say my pageant basically is all about short women, orienté. Let me put it that way. Short women. You know, most of the pageants we did now, most of them are for tall.
Okay, now why not petite?
So I decided to make I just do something for smaller people. We too, we get talent now, we get potential. So we too, we find now. Abina.
You know, say last week where your queen be there, Jessie. Now Shakara one, it always like do. You can't ask and say which kind of person she, whether she like tall or short men. She don't know. She can't go there say tall. Shakara now can't be happy. You know saying na him. She know you understand. But you are right in what you are saying. There are great packages in people that are not very tall. I'm telling you.
Okay, thank you.
I'm telling you.
Anything go there wrong, make any of your Miss Petite like tall person.
It's wrong.
No be seen now, no be kind. Everybody get their own taste.
Anything now say it is wrong, it is wrong.
It's wrong. Let me tell you. You cannot be ambassador for petite and you are looking for higher things. It's wrong. Petite.
Yes, make you go short be that.
On to the matter of today. Thereby now, we have talked about this issue before. But you people decided to tell us to bring it again. So we decided to bring Orente. I put Orente into the bar.
She fine. What's the apple?
You see what they can not 2 a.m.
Thank you.
See, you not saying that if your wife fine like this, to shout for them, no problem.
That's why I don't shout.
As she do anyhow, you want to shout for her, say, hey, maybe I don't like what you do.
I cannot shout. I cannot shout to her. I never fish out, give her.
But before I go the matter of the day, disadvantage there for this son color where you find like, you know, say pastor they preach. If you look black girl, you say, you, it is well with you. That husband you are looking for, then believe say black girls. We be say you don't say they're not too fine. That husband you've been expecting, family you find it. When they see yellow like this, every married spirit.
Every married spirit controlling your life.
Why? Because no yellow girls they get married spirit.
No, but let me tell you.
That one
even juju. Even the mommy water where they inside water anything, they love beautiful things. You understand? And they have to. If you not fine, how ugly person want to take worship? Ugly
now,
person again.
Until the matter of the day, you don't say you fine, you sexy, you set. Until the package of the oriented things, you are still on point. Now, it good or it okay? Make a put like this. It okay make you they keep your ex phone number, telephone, pictures. BB pin, anything your ex may they keep them, and you don't have another relationship, may you just get them.
I don't believe say they alright, no.
Meanwhile, before you answer, how many ex you don't get?
Now my personal business. Now why?
Yeah, we are very real.
No,
Maybe Shakara has had like over 50. They talk about maybe
they come up get away.
Yeah, no, it's not a bad
I'm still a virgin.
You not make the.
You are a virgin like
I'm
me.
waiting for Jesus.
You see, I have a partner. No. We are not waiting for Jesus.
See,
We are
we're not saying
virgins.
you can have S and still be a virgin.
Yes.
What would I say? We're not saying you didn't ask if you don't crank
If you don't
before.
crank
They say you get how many you get.
How many you
I
get?
don't get.
You never did
No
before.
get.
Don't get only why.
Very focused.
So
girl.
Emma working.
She's very
Ego
focused.
kina chare no.
Ego.
Ogo. Very
Okay,
focused.
Shoma.
Fertility ministry.
Focus.
Nne, you say you know they okay to keep number of
X.
or the property of S, both number
Picture,
everything.
anything.
Now, if your S still be your friend or business partner, because it happen like that.
Yes.
If you get some S, maybe say for example that you do this pageant now, and your S also dey into pageantry.
Yeah.
Some other
You
artists
don't
like
have a
that.
choice. That colleague you be that.
So,
But for instance,
that's
now
fine,
you do
now
this
you
on
don't get
pageants, now
choice,
maybe
bro.
say your ex now either an artist where they sing or MC, you know.
No, imagine your ex. Imagine your ex that whiskey. And now you need her for makeup perform for. You know? Yeah, you know, it wants to keep that number, you know.
I go keep it.
You want to have an issue with it.
Okay, so if you keep it now, how do you explain it to your present?
No, how do you explain it to your fans that you have told just now that you know fits?
He don't already get business function. I know they keep a number to talk to him. It's for business.
For business.
Simple.
Business only. Now, but I get friend, you understand, right now, and I don't want to call names. But he break up with the ex, and the ex buy a beautiful car. She still dey drive the car. Ladies, we know. When they always break up, you understand, ladies go return everything. Letter, you know, things that can be returnable.
No.
How?
No be car.
No fit dey return.
Car no fit dey return.
Why?
Na gift.
You both get
It's not a gift.
Na gift.
You
No
see,
dey
okay.
return gift.
You both get they return everything, but Nigeria get they keep am to
Nigeria
remember
keep
you.
am to remember
You say this one, this one they remember my kid.
For all the years that you have been sucking this, Bobby, I'm keeping this to remember you.
And for all the years I've been cooking for you, you have been chilling mukwelu. I to remember you.
I don't know. I hear one comedian and I like saying it was I hear when they talk and say, you know, I don't know why girls every time when you break up with them, they always come make and look like say, now you do the worst thing, and God will punish you after you have used my body. The body don't be my body too was
Okay,
also
I have a
involved.
personal issue. Let me bring it to the house now. I don't know whether it's outside our topic because what you talk now. If somebody break up with you, and the person no make love to you, he no crank you during the time of
The dating.
or anything. Now, do you consider that as heartbreak?
What do you mean? I'm trying not to use that word.
You understand? I don't want to go up because
I know what you're trying to say.
it's a personal issue. Please, you guys should take it serious.
Excuse me.
I'm asking the girl because she's a lady.
Yes.
Your ex break up with you during the dating.
They never crank.
She no crank you.
Not
Now you say no, they do again. Do you consider it as him being a heartbreaker?
Na still heartbreaker na why not?
How?
No be your heart dey involved.
He don't take advantage of you.
You don't necessarily have to take advantage. That's why I say
Emotions dey involved.
Emotions dey involved. So you waste your time.
Can you see him as a bad person? Minding the fact that he respects one angle, he no one hurts you to that level.
But it shall hurt my emotions. So na heartbreaker.
No, but excuse me. I need to be very clear.
I don't get it.
Ugo.
Because this is a present.
Melissa.
See, this is Showman. This is a present situation.
It's
That's happening to me.
I know.
So I need.
My brother, go in peace.
Shakara, the problem I have with you is this, and we don't talk about as a code rule of the guys, you understand, of the bar. We know that every girl you're supposed to crank, but there are girls, some girls that you should be very, very happy and proud that you have cranked in your life. Like for me, I say it every now and then, it's a blessing and a privilege for me to be able to, you know, drop or worship in that sanctuary, because do you know where I'm going to? No, I'm telling you, Ugo. Shakara, you are a great man. Anybody that
But if you must I crank every girl like this?
you can. That's why you mustn't date everybody. But you are dating many. I understand. But do you know that these girls will yab you tomorrow?
No.
Ask her.
I feel.
Ask her here now. How do you feel when you see a guy where you will be no crank you? The respect is not always there much. compared to the guy that has turned you upside down and everything.
Like, okay.
I don't believe so.
Give us your
I think the respect they even dey more if you know crank.
But you know, if you say the feeling go the day now for your mind, say you just since you know crank that guy that time, you go to feel like saying
make you crank.
No, when they feel say no, there's this saying, no, there's this thing
where you see, there's always that feeling.
There's this thing.
You understand?
Okay,
Well,
maybe you
happen
know, una don't date, una no crank, you can't see him, but there's this part of you where still the, you know, the color.
But is there not a joy? Like, okay, thank God I don't even give her my body. You understand?
He did now. Where? Let me tell you where it is worse.
Okay, now
let me tell you,
like this.
Ugo, sorry to cut you. Where it is worse is when you, the guy involved, is not doing well. You understand? Now in life, like maybe she 3 years ago, the next time they see you now, 4 years later, Shakara, you are still where you are. They look you like say, oh God, thank you, Jesus. I did not sleep with this guy. But if you are Shakara, the comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as you are still cracking you, I don't sleep with that guy. Fuck her now. She will see it.
I go go. We are coming back. Don't go anywhere.
We are proud of you when you
Shakara go in peace and now.
You are thinking of those you have not checked. I know.
It dey okay, no dey okay.
My ex, actually, it dey okay at the same time. Not too dey okay, but to me, it dey okay.
If you keep her, if he implicates you, and if you not keep one way or the other, if you need her help, and you go on contact her. So
if you need her from any moment at any time, or maybe tomorrow now she might be on top of you, and you go need her help from her. So if you just keep her, I let me say it's okay to keep your ex phone number for her.
Welcome back. Now say Bobos Yambi. This and matter what they talk about now say you go feed. They okay, make you keep your ex. Pictures, phone numbers, anything ain't with you when you know the date the person again. But there's a heated argument in this bar.
But I don't want us to go on night because see, I am more particular because now fine girl they here, you understand? And she's telling us that she don't go return car. But you clearly they talk say before say you know keep phone number.
But you can't basically not see something about your ex.
Don't be personal property.
For example, see.
No, but let me tell you. No, but I know of a truth, you understand? Now with the talk, I tell every guy say when you want to give person something, like if I want to borrow you money now, I have to be very sure say the money I won't borrow you. If you don't pay me back, you no go pay me. So that's why I always borrow money that I know that if you don't pay back, you understand, you go pay. But now a man buys you a car. It is wickedness. It is no, Shakara is not fair. A man will buy you. It's the same thing like you carrying a girl out. The girl order for Nkwobi, order for Ishewu, order for everything. Then when you go back home, her name is Gift, and they should not put up the light. For what now? It's not possible.
You don't have to get angry.
I'm angry
from a poor man.
You are stupid.
Because a Dangote or an Adenuga or where's this man?
I have not seen a girl
buy you a car and I go come here. What say I buy you a car?
Oh no.
Let
me tell you something. You have gone to you have touched the eagle's eyes.
Let me tell
Shakara,
you. Those people buying girl a car is like you sending girl a cash car.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
The percentage.
No.
Man,
the mistake you are making is this. Let me tell you. For a man like Dangote to buy you a car, buy you house or anything, believe me, he has you under his control.
Life and direct.
I don't want to call names from where I'm coming from. Of somebody of a big man.
Wait, they won't call again.
Of a big man.
Come on.
But he had to freeze that they have done the account. Don't say it. I was telling you that I have names that I don't want to call. You are now calling names.
I didn't call the states now. How many people know where you are from?
They know.
Your governor.
Did what?
Your governor, they won't open. Let me leave you like that.
You want to leave me or leave my governor?
All of you. Both your governor, the actress, the opening, everything, I leave it. I lose everything.
You are still going on, Shakara.
No.
You are still going on.
What did I say again?
Shakara,
Did
you
you
call
say anything? I didn't mention anything.
You said actress. You call actress.
How many actresses
You
will
said
get
the opening.
for Nigeria?
But you said the actress, the opening.
The opening. How many actresses will
Shakara,
get?
the opening.
I beg, continue, I beg. I know they your matter.
Now, the point is this.
I know they
if you
your
are
matter.
dating
I
somebody,
dey on my own.
he is your ex. He has bought you cars.
Yes.
He rented a house for you. He had so many things he has done for you. Now, when you guys are now breaking up, why would you return those things when you say you don't even want him anymore? Why not return the 3-bedroom flat? Return the car. Return the pictures and return everything.
Yeah, no, it's personal belongings.
Now he
It
buy
was
now.
a gift.
See, I would like to stand with
I
her.
don't support you.
I support
the girls.
I support the girls for now because
How you go give person gifts finish and you won't collect them back?
But
because the girl don't give you something when you don't feel return.
excuse me.
Excuse me,
I don't
what's
like that. I
You
think
cannot
so.
use me by
Between a man and a woman, please. Between a man and a woman,
who
releases
gives
more?
pass?
Who gives more?
Who gives pass?
I am the one releasing some.
Are you the one holding the
What
bottle?
are you telling me?
But she can stay in her house comfortable. Your this thing when no get meter.
Who tell you say they are old? Who tell you say
How many girls don't waka go meet man say, hey, bros, I beg, I like you. I want to crank you. How many? It's 1 out of 100.
Shakara, it is 80 out of 100.
Oh no, Shakara, no.
Since what you did, where you did, how many girls don't come meet you say?
Why you must be saying away with the
We
work?
cannot be saying things. But let me tell you, the only reason
must we
why
be saying things?
I don't have a problem, I have a problem with collecting the thing is that I would prefer make the girl dey very noble if she like, you understand, to return something.
You
When she
know?
know say fits cost. But there are two things I can tell you clearly that can never, why I feel ladies should not return things. First and foremost, if she get pikin for you, you go talk say make she return.
If she get pikin, that one a different matter.
Will you say
Remove
return the
pikin.
child? That's one. Secondly, there are some girls, I mean, I don't know if you don't get girl, we don't love you that much, we go tattoo your name for your body. If a girl tattoos your name on your body and you don't turn X, and that tattoo you don't feel a permanent one, how do you change it?
No, if some things they go. Tattoo, if you write James, you have to be looking for his namesake today.
For his namesake.
Whatever, I know how far. What's your name? Ugo, no.
Sorry. I'm looking for James.
When we come back, we're going to talk to my time ago. We still get Melissa inside the bar with us. Don't go anywhere. Nasi Bobo's here. Yeah?
They okay now, very proper.
The phone number no really matter, shall.
Actually, it's not that very bad, but it just depends on your husband. If your husband is that kind of a person that is jealous, then you don't need to put the picture, because once they see the picture, you think you are still having an affair with the ex.
But the picture is not okay. But for the phone number, you can greet to call you I. It's normal. It's not that when after dating a boy, when you don't date a boy finish, you can't forget about the boy, because you don't know tomorrow whether the guy go help you or not, you go help the guy. So if the phone number is on your phone, it's different. But depends on your husband. If your husband they understanding, but if your husband not they understand, it's not okay.
Yes, una welcome back. Nasi Bobo's here with Dey. If you just join us, you don't miss plenty because we don't talk plenty here. And the topic for today, now say, is they okay make you keep your ex pictures, phone number, or whatever thing will belong to your ex with you when una break up? That's the matter.
So Melissa, we right now we try. They're very close to winding up.
You know, from a woman's point of view, give us your own analyzation critically.
I want to ask her a question because we clearly
why they speak Igbo for her? Is she Igbo?
No, you know the way you don't think one check her for Igbo now.
When you see the forehead, you will know.
When
you see the forehead, you
every
will
day
know.
we find, especially for Lagos.
Let's not. Every fair girl is Igbo. I don't know how it happens, but
no, you don't know. You don't know. You are trying to know how it happens.
But let us go.
Don't let me give you story.
What I want to ask her is this. You say there's nothing wrong, Yabi, that you should not give back some things, you understand? Me, I want to also ask you, do you think, say, if it did proper, when the man will be your husband at least, yet, to collect anything from the man?
And that one means saying, say, make you not expect anything for myself. It's a 50-50
No,
something.
collecting is different.
Collecting is
I'm
different.
not talking about
We are not talking
cranking.
about cranking. Cranking is a mutual thing.
Cranking is something that is you people that enjoy more than us. We don't enjoy it. We don't enjoy it.
Oh, now we dey enjoy a person.
Of course.
Is it a lie? Is it?
I doubt it.
As you dey come for the beginning, you come the toast her. Just come like very clear, you know.
Say wetin.
You know, I just like you. I want to support what you are doing.
What you are
I want to give you. No come in the former of say I like you. When will you come to my house? When will I take you to here? Okay, I'm buying you this thing. So once you don't come with that intention, she'll collect anything.
No. Let me tell you. Most if they get I don't want to be all the time. I want her to
Melissa, give us just more hear your own point of view.
Why you no go collect? Now everything a manner of approach, just like he just said now. You come, they toast the girl with gifts. You won't enter, you know, talk exactly what you define. She go they collect the gifts now.
No, but you know, say this man, you clearly know they say nothing goes for nothing even in Freetown. You know, you know, even the Bible says that he say a man's gift will make way for him. Do you know what the meaning of way is? Way is. When God said I will make a way where there seems to be no way, that means that fallow ground that has been closed
will become open.
So that cranky now use scripture.
No, don't say it now.
In just 2 words,
it's gifts. Someone give you gifts. You have to open up now.
To keep your ex things.
You know they're okay. As far as say the person don't hurt you emotionally and there's really no reason, no business reason or any other reason to keep, you know the importance.
Thank you. Say you enter bar today.
And then between short men and tall men, which one
do you
like?
prefer?
She likes me. Don't worry. It's fine.
Me, I like tall men.
Okay.
Are you going to dance you? If I show you some tall men.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.